Hello, my ICTA students. This time we are going to learn how to find a picture on the internet but save it in our folder so that we can use it at a later time or as many times as we want. So first of all, we're going to go to the internet. We're going to click on a new tab, and Google should come up, but if not, we'll put in Google Images. Okay, Google Images. All right, and I want to search for, this time, sunrise. Sunrise. Okay. So, we got many pictures to look at here. I don't know which one I like the best, but you can pick out one that you really like. I think I like this one. All right, now left click once on it. That's what I did. And now it's over on this side. So now right click, but this time you're going to choose Save Image As. Save Image As. And now it comes up and asks you, where do you want to save it? All right, go to find your name. Here's my name. Now there's your name. Look on this left side and find your name. Then you want to go to your ICTA Slot 4 folder. Left double click. Check your address bar. Do you see ICTA Slot 4? And now we want to go to your Pictures folder. Left double click. Check. Does your address bar read your name, ICTA Slot 4, and Pictures? And it does, right? Okay, now click in here in the file name box and just type in Sunset 1. Sunset 1. We just keep the name short, no spaces, nothing. All right, and now save. Okay, all right, while we're still here, choose one more sunset because I want to say something. So choose one more. So left click once. Now right click. Okay, right click, Save Image As. And now do you see the computer remembers? It says you see your name, ICTA Slot 4, and you see Pictures. We're in the correct place. All right, click in the file name box and type in Sunset. And you see how it automatically comes out here because we had Sunset 1. You can choose it here, okay? But change the 1 to a 2. Okay, Sunset 2. All right, save it. Okay, we're going to try it one more time. I want you to find another sunset just to make sure that you can do it. So I'm going to pick this one. Oh no, I'm going to pick this one. I like this one better. All right, and now right click, go to Save Image As. All right, now you can do one, you can type in SU and you'll see Sunset 1 or 2. So it doesn't matter which one you click on, but change the number to a 3. All right, so now you have 3 sunset pictures. Okay, that's good. Let's go back now, and I want to get another one, a different one. And okay, put in trees. Okay, put in trees. All right, so now we have another set of pictures. All right, let's look and find a tree that you like or that you think, a tree picture that suits you. This is kind of pretty. So I'm going to left click once. Okay, and now right click, Save Image As. And it remembers pictures. Okay, and now type in trees 1. Okay. All right, save it. And then go get another tree picture. Okay, let's get another tree picture. Oh, that's a nice one. And now right click, Save Image As, and you're in your folder. And this one says red tree. That's okay. That name's not too long. You don't want a big long name, so go ahead and say red tree. Save it. All right, so we're finished with those pictures. So let's just close out. Click on your X here to close out of Google. All right, and now go back to Word, and there's nothing in your screen. So first of all, put on your no spacing. Okay, your show and hide should be on. If it's not, put it on. Make sure you're on no spacing. All right, this time we go to Insert, but we go to Pictures, Pictures from File. And once again, go find your name, okay? There's my name on the left-hand side, and you should have the same, all right? Go to ICTA slot 4, go to Pictures, left double click. So now, do you see, I see 3 sunsets, trees 1, and I didn't change the name of this one, all right? Now, take a look here. You can go up here, and if you said extra large icons, your pictures would look like that, okay? If you go back here and you say large icons, they look like this. If you go here and you say medium icons, they look like that. If you go and say small icons, they're like that, really small. And if you say list, then you don't see the picture at all, okay? You don't see the picture at all. If you say details, you see the date and time and the type of file that it is, but you don't see the picture. So, and if you go to tiles, there's what you see. So basically what you want is you want the large icons for pictures just because it makes it easier for you to see. So that's what you want. Now let's say we want the red tree. So we go to Insert, and there's the red tree. And now everything is the same. You're going to make it square. You're going to size it down so that it's a reasonable size. And there's your size. Put a frame on it, whatever you think looks good. Okay, and now you're going to get it, oh, how come that moved on me? Okay, and now we're going to get another picture. Go to Insert, Pictures, and go to your folder where you are, Pictures, and choose one of your sunset pictures. Okay, choose one of your sunset, or whichever picture you want. It doesn't matter. I'm going to insert that one. Once again, I'm going to make it square, and the first thing I'm going to do is size it down. And then I'm going to drag it with my 4-headed arrow to place it where I want. And I want to size it down. Okay, and put a frame on it. And again, whatever you think looks nice. That's okay. All right, and click off. All right, one more picture. Go to Insert, Pictures, choose whatever one you want, Insert, and again, make it square, grab your fill handle, size it down, and I need to size mine down some more. Okay, or maybe I want to size this one down a little bit more, like this, and then I can make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, so now, I didn't worry about the spacing in between, right? Because I'm going to click here, hold down your Shift key, and click on this one, and click on this one. So the first thing we want to do is align. Now let's try the middles. Okay, and now let's try the bottom. No, I don't like that. So let's go to Align Middle. All right, and then remember, you want to go to Distribute horizontally. Now they're perfectly distributed. This is equal, this is equal. And now we want to go to Group and click on Group. Now you can move them wherever you want. So these pictures you have saved, and they'll be with you for any time that you want to use them anywhere. So that's the beauty about saving the pictures in your folder. And your instructions will tell you to save your pictures in your folder, and you have to show your instructor on screen that you have got your pictures saved in your folder. All right, that's the end of that lesson. We'll stop there.